Everybody, today we're with another episode of TMNT Legends. I forgot to open these ones actually. Let's collect them. Yes, and this was from yesterday. Awesome, yeah, because I got the Master League and it looks awesome. And today, let's just first go and open our card packs. Today, in the next episode, I think we're gonna do all character tournament, which is gonna be very fun. Yeah, we're gonna use all the characters. I have all of the characters except Crank Classic, which I'm waiting for another event for it to come. You can see there's no event right now, and Super Shredder isn't max, but he will be soon. To this episode, we're gonna do this. The forces of nature, and we're ready to do that. This is not our characters, this is not our team we're gonna do. It's the Vision Quest people, Vision Quest turtles, and we need the Vision Quest turtles here, just like in season 3. Yeah, and the second one, third one, and Donnie's right there. For our fourth character, I'm thinking about Armagon. And where's the other character? Thinking about Armagon, Usagi Yojimbo, or Splinter. I think I'm gonna go with Usagi Yojimbo. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Usagi Yojimbo. And here we are with Usagi Yojimbo and the turtles going through the forest, which is awesome. This season was actually one of my favorite seasons because they go to the farmhouse. It's just so cool and very exciting, a new place that the turtles are on, and very cool too. This should be, yeah, this was the last wave. Yeah, I'll take the time suit out in the last battle, because I want to hear some abilities there. These ones are just easy though. I'm just speeding up through it. That it won't tag on the way. And yeah, it's a very good event if you want to unlock some Vision Quest turtles, which who doesn't? And also that. And this is also, if you want any turtle DNA, you should look at the turtle event too. You have to be at least level 70 for that one though. But still, it's very good if you're at level 70 and you're trying to get some turtles to level like 5 stars. That's a very good event. I wish it was for lower levels, at least 40, but it's for level 70s. But by level 70, you should have literally every turtle. But yeah. But it's interesting because this account, I never spent anything on it. It's just kind of cool. It's just all me just grinding out from when the game began. Yeah, from when the game began. I actually downloaded it when I was in Turkey. Because, yeah, we were in Turkey when we were traveling. And then it was just so fun playing this game. When it first came, like, I saw the logo of it, and then I was like, oh, it's a logo. I was like, oh, it's just gonna be a bad game, like, normal game. I didn't thought it's gonna be this good. A Wild Chimera is here, too. And then I was like, oh, okay, just a normal Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game. I don't think it's gonna be any good. And then I saw this person playing it on YouTube. I was like, what is this video? I was like, okay, what game is this? I was like, this game is amazing. Is this a console game? Or was like, what is that? I was like, no, it says mobile game. And then I went to check it, and I wasn't the name. I was like, the logo is out. I'm like, I'm downloading it right now, and my iPad wasn't compatible with it. Like, yeah, and then I couldn't download. I was so sad, but after a month or so, because when I saw the game was like already there. Like the game was already there. When I find it, the game, it said that it came like 2 days ago. So it's very like, oh, two days ago. That's very new. And then about 2-3 weeks later, I got a new tablet. I got a new tablet. And then I used it on that, and then it came. I was so happy. Just literally so happy. Because it's literally one of my favorite games. I would try to unlock all of the turtles because, yeah, especially Raphael, because he's my favorite. And then, yeah, because I like to unlock Raphael in like about 2 months or so, a little bit more than 2 months, like about 3 months, because you only need 70 DNA for him, and you get 1 DNA each from completing the missions every day. It's good. Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's nothing at all. But so 1 DNA is good. If it was 2 DNA, it would have been a little bit better. But it's still worth it. If you want Raphael, you should do that. Yeah, you should want to, because Raphael is so cool. And yeah, that Mikey was the last turtle that I unlocked. Yeah. Donna was the second one, yeah. But he's a 5-star just like Leo. Oh, I haven't killed him. Yeah, it's just a 5-star like Leo, but when you get him to 2-star, he's actually usable. If you're level 20s and stuff, or like 30s too. But one of the bosses that really I had trouble with beating was Chapter 5, yeah, Chapter 5 with the... I forgot their name. I forgot what Mikey named them. I forgot it. Those... What is going on? Why is there 2 Leos? Is this possible? I never seen in the whole game. Why is there 2 Leos? Why is there 2 Leos in one wave? How is that possible? Like, 1 minute. Go back here. It says only 1 Leo, but there's 2 Leo. It's very interesting. I'll take the sound effects off in this one. Good, good. Okay, and I have the dodge on. Then dodge, good. Awesome. I know, I was like, that's amazing. Good, good. Alright. Please, no more fun, guys. Please. Tune on, yay. Some footbots to beat. Well, here goes some red stuff. Blows up. Oh, amazing. They weren't too healthy anyways. And on to the turtles. Let's put my defense up. Good. That's an amazing move. Amazing buff, shall I say. Oh. 20%. Good. The attack, the double attack is so good. Mikey, do your thing. Good, good. Taunt. Good. Accuracy up, that's good. Armor. Please, armor. Well, nobody gained armor, but That was good. Well, kind of, but Usagi with his samurai skills. Raph with the fires. Mikey with his weapons. Forgot their name. What were they called? I forgot it. I think I remember it, but I also forgot it. You do that? Hammer time, baby. Yee. Good. And Usagi will finish Mikey. I think that was Mikey, yeah. Raph will finish Raph. And what an amazing match. Good. Yeah, it's been a long time since I did a Chimera. Like, face Chimera. Yeah. The first time Chimera came was like so a long time ago. It was actually the second update. Well, that misses. This hits. And this will too. Awesome. You have missed, my friend. But I have. Good. And awesome. Just like in the series in the cave. It looks a little bit different than the cave though. There were boiling water, but acid water, but there's no acid water here. And this is a great one because you can get all turtles. You want all turtles. Raph is the first one. That way, Raph, you will get more DNA of him in this event. And here we have the turtles and Chimera, level 85. Well, gonna quick through this. Some AoE attacks. I'm not gonna use Usagi's because his is very good. He's just a very good character. If you want to use a good character, use Usagi because he's amazing. Especially his buff is very good. And give them the red juice. But when it blows up, it's yellow. And yes, okay. You should be going to wave 3. This is the last wave. Then it's the turtles and Chimera. But got some foot over here. It won't hurt using some AoE attacks. Awesome. And we'll just have to go one by one. Good. Alright. Now we're up with the turtles again. This time we're finishing them quick. So you don't want to get hit by them because they're level 85. They're not going to do any much, but you don't want them to attack, to have the chance to attack. Good. And we'll just... I think that gives them focus from either down. So I did it. Let's see that again. Okay, we'll just do this. Throw a rock at them with your head. That rock must be very hard because because it didn't break. Well, his head didn't break either. But expecting something to break. Well, Raph misses to Raph. Will Raph miss? I don't know. Pretty sure not. Yeah, for sure. Second, like, Raph, Vision Quest is so good. His second ability is like the buff move, but it also does attack, which is very good. I think it also has down to no, I can't remember, but he's very good because it gives you double damage. Focus. Oh, you can get focus meter down. Awesome. We don't have a heal though. That's kind of a problem. But he has, he has a leech. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this because I have to double damage. Crit. Didn't get the crit, but that was worth it. Go with yeah, because I got attack up. Yes. And awesome. And Mikey for the win. Boom. Oh. Could have, I could have for sure defeated it by doing the normal fight with Mikey. And down to it goes. Awesome. And here goes this. And we got a Leonardo Vision question. If you want some Vision question, you should definitely do this because it's a very good event for stuff like that. And I'm just gonna collect my stuff here. And what is this? A defeat? Oh yeah, I still have it. We defeated them right now. Okay. For the next episode, we'll do every character in the Master League. And that would be an awesome episode as well. For now, it's been a great episode, and bye-bye.